In the data generation process, knowing the actual underlying process is very, very difficult. And we have to perform approximation actually. The point that I'm making over here is that we have to we have to actually work with the probabilities. So we have to work with the data that is incomplete. It may explain everything or it may explain only part of the data. So for example, the malware execution steps. Identifying the complete process may not be possible. We have to work with the patterns, with the regularities or even irregularities within the data. Another point is that assuming that the future, at least or the near future, will not be much different from the past when the sample data was collected. So for example, if we are analyzing a ransomware and a crypto library was called and afterwards the files were deleted actually, so this is a clear sign that this malicious file is of type ransomware, and we can definitely perform future predictions as well that will be right in the light of previous data.